In this video, I want to talk about the factor theorem. So the factor theorem says that a polynomial p of x has a factor x minus c if and only if p of c equals 0. And that should make sense because from the remainder theorem, if p of c equals 0, then the remainder is 0, which means that the factor divides evenly into the polynomial, which is exactly what a factor is, right? So if it divides evenly into the polynomial with no remainder, then it should have p of c needs to be equal to 0 from the remainder theorem. So that should make a lot of sense. Now we can use this to check to see if different things are factors. So for example, p, in this case, it says use the factor theorem to determine whether x minus 2 is a factor of p of x is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 8. So in order to do this, we need to find p of 2, right? So we would have 2 to the third minus 3 times 2 squared plus 6 times 2 minus 8. So this is 8 minus 12 plus 12 minus 8, and that equals 0. So the answer should be yes. Now, if we want to just double check, we could do long division. So x to the third minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 8 divided by x minus 2 would give us x squared, and that would be x to the third minus 2x squared minus plus, okay, so this would be minus x squared plus 6x, so this should be minus x, and then this would be negative x squared plus 2x, which when we subtract is going to give us that. So we'll have 4x, bring down minus 8, and that would be plus 4, and this would be 4x minus 8, and that would be 0. So in fact, yes, it is. If we divide this by this, we get this with a remainder of 0, which means that x minus 2 is in fact a factor of this polynomial. And that's how you use the factor theorem. So the factor theorem got us the answer without having to do all that long division.